Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? This is live price prediction of Polygon coin, my brother, and absolutely the price is very badly fails down this time of Polygon coin. Minus 14.04% they were lost now, so definitely you will need to watch this video completely to understand and take a decision. Absolutely remember to this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother, and after that kindly research personally, please now. Alright, so this time my brother, the Polygon price hit now 1.62 USD dollar, but in the last 3 days they were very badly fell down, so the price again come to 1.39 USD dollar. Definitely the price is very badly falls down, and if you are a short-term investor then sell it, otherwise my friend in upcoming 2 or 3 days they were all fails down. But if you are a long-term investor then don't sell it, you will need to hold now. I am 100% sure to upcoming days they will again wake up, because after a fails every coin will wake up. So therefore I will just advise you for all of you to kindly hold it now and don't decide, my friends, to sell, because absolutely for short time they were fails down, but again they will moving upward now. So therefore I just share my personal experience. Please do this. I hope you will never lost. Alright, so my prediction is totally gonna be positive. I know to upcoming time after this fail, absolutely when a short-term investor starting selling, so the coin will fails down. But when they're starting buying, so definitely they will wake up and they will move upward. So therefore I know to after a fails, absolutely every coin will wake up. So therefore I hope in upcoming days the price will increasing now, and definitely follow Polygon will collaborate a lot of companies. So therefore there is 100% chances to the price will increasing now. Thanks for watching, Polygon holder. Please like video, and also don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because ABS channel will guide you, update you, and every day every time. Allah Hafiz.